What is going on, everybody? My name is Marissa, and in this video I'm going to be giving you a Builderall review and talk about how I made $2,000 as an affiliate with the program in literally 9 days. So stay tuned. Welcome back to the video, guys. Now on this channel, once again, my name is Marissa Romero, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. What you can expect is me teaching how to make money online, and one of the topics I teach about is affiliate marketing and breaking down strategies, like on this video right here, of how I made $2,000 with Builderall, one affiliate marketing network that is actually a super hot network right now, and people are loving the affiliate program. But also I teach about all other types of topics like e-commerce, sales funnels, email marketing, things to help you start and improve your online business if you already have one. So if that's your jam, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, because right now I'm posting on a daily basis. So if you're excited for this video and the content I have coming up, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. So again, guys, anything else regarding training and more training that I have for free, go ahead and click the first link in the description after this video. Okay, so let's get right to it and talk about Builderall. Let me explain what Builderall is just real quick. It is a online tool, an all-in-one business tool for your online business. Now, it could be used for any type of online business, really any business at all, because as a business owner, you need a tool like Builderall. You need sales funnels, you need email marketing, you need the capability to build membership sites, the capability to have automation in your business so that you can leverage automation and other types of tools to work for you while you're not at the computer. So let's talk about the affiliate side of the program just a little bit. Well, my results as an affiliate. So I've made just over $2,000 in commissions with Builderall, and it's pretty exciting. Now, disclaimer, these results aren't typical. I've been doing online marketing for a little over a year now, and building my audience on YouTube, so I have some experience. So I just wanted to say that these results aren't typical, but super doable, and I'll explain why. If you watch to the end of this video, you're gonna be like, whoa. All right, so if you look at today is the 15th, is when I was talking, is when I'm filming this video. I actually started promoting this really late on August 6th, so kind of late night August 6th, beginning of August 7th, and yesterday, August 14th, is when I hit the 2K mark in commission, so it's pretty cool. The commissions add up quick. Now, just real quick, before I get into a little bit of what Builderall is. So with the commissions with Builderall, you get 100% commissions up front. So if I sell, if I make a sale and somebody signs up under my affiliate link, I get 100% commissions off that sale. And after that, the recurring commissions are 30% on whatever monthly plan the members get. So not only do I make sales off of the people that signed up under my link, but there's a tier 2 level. So if the affiliates that signed up under me make sales, I get commissions off of those sales as well. So you can see how this can add up really fast. Now, let's talk about some of the features of Builderall and why I love it so much. It is super affordable, by the way, to be an affiliate and to get all the tools that I'm about to show you. It is only $49 a month, and to just get access. So it is only $49 a month. Now, let's look at some of the features just real quick, going to the builder. So you can build new websites and you can build funnels. So if you come here, you can literally build any kind of website you want, which is crazy. So you don't have to go through Bluehost or WordPress or that type of thing. You can literally mimic any type of website you want to right here, which is absolutely mind-blowing to me. So if you're on a budget and want to throw up a quick website, no matter what it is, I mean, look at the different niches they have here: jewelry, fishing, law, attorney. So any type of business that you have, you can build a website for it right here. Health and fitness, dentist, fitness. Like if you're in the fitness niche, maybe you are a fitness trainer, check out the fitness website templates they have. Now let's look at what's going to make you the money in the game, and that is sales funnels. So everybody, online marketing 101, affiliate marketing 101, you're going to need sales funnels. So what you're going to come here to the sales funnel building section and pick out the type of funnel you want. To give you a hint, you need to start out with the simple squeeze page funnel. That is literally a landing page where people opt in and give their information, and it goes straight to a thank you page, okay? So that is pretty cool. And the one major plus about Builderall is they actually have what they call a survey funnel, which is super high converting. My boyfriend's literally using this survey funnel, and he's getting like a 70% opt-in rate or 60% opt-in rate, something crazy. So that was a huge plus when looking to start utilizing Builderall. So they have responsive sites you can use, mobile sites, and they even have an app creator if you're interested in creating an own app. Now, one thing that Builderall has that sets it apart from other sales funnel building tools is it has its own email marketing platform called Mailing Boss. So if you just come here to Mailing Boss and click, you literally have an entire email marketing platform that you can use and create lists and create email follow-ups, is what we call sequences, and autoresponders to email people automatically when somebody opts into your list. Now, I have a whole entire tutorial on how to use Mailing Boss. I'll leave the link up here if you want to check that out later. But for this demonstration, what we have here, videos, you can make animated videos, floating videos, it's crazy, apps. But what I wanted to talk about right here was the Facebook. So Builderall has the capability for you to use to integrate Facebook messaging bots into your sales funnels, which is pretty crazy. So if you go to Facebook chat, they have a whole section on utilizing instant messaging, or maybe you've heard of ManyChat, but you have an auto bot that responds to people when they comment. So let me give you an example of why this is important, okay? So if you go to Facebook, and this guy is an affiliate of Builderall, and this is an example of how you can promote Builderall, but he says email marketing hack, and his call to action basically is if you want more info on this hack, he talks about how you can get all these things for only $9.99 a month. He says comment email marketing below. So when people comment email marketing or whatever, they have automatic replies that are sent to their inbox, so he doesn't have to go through and send it himself. That's the power of chat box. That is the power of Facebook bots, because when you get a post and create a post of something that goes viral, like one post I made once, I had people comment webinar, and I had like over 50 replies. I mean, that could get real tedious, okay? So that's the power of Facebook messaging in the chat. So another thing that I wanted to talk about that is very, very, very important for people just getting started with marketing online is Script Generator. What a Script Generator is something that helps you with writing emails, for writing copy, for doing all these things. So if you're creating a webinar, or if you're having trouble with creating emails and not knowing where to write, you can come here and it literally walks you through generating scripts for different niches like personal development, internet marketing, authors, speakers, sales. It's so crazy. I've never seen anything like this, because if you went with, like, say, ClickFunnels, for example, they charge, I don't know exactly, a couple $100 for sales scripts and how to develop the perfect script and all that stuff. So this is included completely for free if you upgrade to the Builderall business plan. The other thing that is amazing to me is, they have an e-learning center where you can create a digital course. So if you wanted to create a membership course and develop your own membership site where you teach people how to do something in your expertise, you can do that right here. It's super cool. All right, so those are I don't want to go through every single thing, but those are some of the features that I love. Again, they have webinar capabilities. It has its own marketplace where you can sell a course or be an affiliate, kind of like a mini ClickBank or something like that. And now let's talk about the Builderall Business Affiliate Program and how sales can add up really quick, and how you don't even need to get that many sales to get $2,000 per month recurring commissions. Let's be conservative in this example. So let's say you sell 20 Builderall business plan plans to different affiliates. So you make 10 or 20 sales. Right now, these are converting for me at almost 100%. So people that purchase Builderall are upgrading to the $49 plan, but let's just be conservative and say that it's only converting at 75%. So 15 people buy into the business plan, okay? So look at my monthly income. That's $300. That's pretty awesome in itself. But out of those affiliates that make sales, let's say they make 10 sales at the tier 2 level. Look at how high your monthly income jumps up. And let's say you only make like 7 of those sales. That's almost $2,000. So you can see, you guys, how quickly this can add up. Now, if you're just getting started online and you're, still building your audience and trying to get the feel of, email marketing, if you're still trying to get the feel of, affiliate marketing and getting your feet wet with promoting different things, not to worry, because if you were interested in getting started with Builderall today, and not only learning the platform, but learning how to be an affiliate of this platform where you can use Builderall as your main product that you're marketing and really build a legitimate affiliate marketing business with this product alone, if you click on the first link in the description, it goes to this page right here. So not to worry, it'll be in the first link in the description. And I've actually partnered with a guy named Chad Bartlett, who's the top 1 or 2 affiliates for Builderall, and he is absolutely crushing it. He's made well over $50,000 being an affiliate with Builderall alone, and he's getting, a super high amount of commissions per month. I don't know what it is exactly, but we are going to give you a free affiliate marketing course because we provide you guys so much value, because we understand that a lot of people getting started in the affiliate program are beginners and they need help just getting started, and they need help with figuring out how to market, whether they want to market on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, whatever it is. So we offer the Chad's affiliate marketing course. We offer our elite mastermind group and one-on-one mentoring. So you have access to both Chad and I right here in this mastermind group. As you can see, it's called the Builderall Mastermind Group. So you get access to that. You see how people are making success. If you have a question, you can ask and people respond. So, you can see Chad's commissions right here. These are all the bonuses you would get. So if you are interested in joining my team today, you would just come to this page on the first link in the description. Just click here and you would go to a separate page where you'd fill out your name, email, and password. Then you would get out your payment information, go ahead and pay for the Builderall business plan, which makes you eligible to become an affiliate. But there's more. So that free affiliate marketing course I was talking about, that is right here. Now, this course, if sold separately, just if Chad was selling this course online, would probably be worth $1,000 in itself, because he is not only teaching you how to get to your first 2K months quickly with promoting Builderall, but he also teaches you here in part 2 of the training how to use Builderall to promote any product or service that you want to. Like, this is insane to me how he, you know, generous he was in putting this together. But, you know, we both talked about it and we said, hey, the more value we give and the more we are, you know, willing to share our secrets with others, the faster they're going to have success and the faster they're going to be able to be a great affiliate marketer. And it helps us make money and them make money. So it's a win-win for both of us, you guys. So yeah, as you can see here, if you want a done-for-you funnel already so you can start promoting Builderall right away, you can download the Builderall team funnel. And so he goes over promoting on Facebook, promoting on YouTube, Facebook ads training, email marketing. It is so insane the value that you are getting from this course alone. All right, so to wrap this up, guys, I'm just going to say that on top of all these bonuses, I am also going to throw in my tube traffic domination course that completely for free on top of all those other bonuses, which teaches you and shows you how I'm actually crushing it on YouTube every single day and getting super hot leads into my business. So, you know, without further ado, if you guys are interested in joining our team, the link will be in the first link in the description. Go ahead and check it out. If you got any value from this video at all, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a question in the comments if you have any comments at all. So let's make this money together, guys. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.